Alright, how's it going, guys? So we're working on a heater blower motor, E46. We have this car sold and the blower motor is not working. I foolishly assumed that it was the FSR, or final stage resistor. Replaced that, it was not that. Checked all the fuses, checked everything else. It is the blower motor itself. Now, what we have here, we have the old blower right here, and it actually is a bare blower motor. And it just doesn't work. We hook the power to it, and it just has nothing at all. No connection whatsoever. So I'm not sure if it's something with the wire and the plug or what. But we swiped one out of the parts car, and we just installed that, and it does work. Got some light on it, and you can see it right there. And all you have to do to take this out is pull your cowling out first of all, and then there's another. Let me see here. Where'd it go? There it is. So you pull your tray out that you usually see under the hood, which is right here, the one that holds the air filter housing, you might call it. And then this tray sets in against the firewall, and this is held in by one, I believe it's T30 Torx bit, and one over here. And there's one little half-turn fastener that goes in right here. That is right there. That comes out. Then all you have is this little guy here that covers the motor. There's only one screw in the top of that right there. And then basically you take the screw out. There's two little tabs in the bottom. They're still in there. They're right there. And you flip those backwards. This cover comes off and exposes the motor. Now, there's four little screws, Torx bits, that hold that motor in. There's two on the top right in there, and there's two right below the motor, and then you got to unplug the plug. You have to use a pair of needle nose to unplug the plug because you can't reach it. So you basically go like this, and you go in here and grab it like that and squeeze it, and then you pull it out and unplug it because you can't reach it with your fingers. So that's what we're doing today on this. We just tried it, just got it plugged in, and it does work. Now I just need to reassemble all the plastics in here. Then you put the glove box and everything else back in on the inside, and this job is done. So just thought I'd stop what I was doing here. Thought maybe I'd record a little bit of this. Some of you guys might have this problem on E36. I don't think you could do it like this. I think you have to pull everything from the inside, the dash and everything. E46, it's probably about a 30-minute job. Actually, it took me longer to unplug the plug to the motor than it did to take everything else off. So, I don't know. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.